Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Rochelle, local and long distance movers near me. If you're moving across the country or one state over, we can provide the following: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies at on-time move, and upfront pricing. With our movers, you get the help you need for your long distance move. Our team will move you 100 miles away, 1,000 miles, or 2,000 miles away, or even further. Whether it's just one state over or you need to go across the country, we've got you covered. A local move might seem easy, and you might not think you need an Illinois moving company. While the distance may be shorter, the work isn't much different. Things still need to be packed, loaded, and unloaded and unpacked, and it can take up a ton of time and energy to move, even just a few miles down the road. With the help of 3 movers, you can save time and energy. We can also make moving so much easier. Our team can handle our local move faster and help you get settled in sooner. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Rochelle moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, residential moving, furniture moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.